Hey guys, Emmanuel here from Euro Customs PR. We have here this 991.2 Carrera. On this video, we're going to be installing some goodies. The list of these goodies include APR Stage 3 Turbo Kit, which uses the factory GTS turbos with the APR tuned. We're also going to be installing the Tial Air Inlet Pipes coupled with the Tial Turbo Inlet Pipes, as well with the AMS Intercooler system for this car and some other goodies. I hope you enjoy the video and stay tuned. So here we have a layout of some of the parts. Like I mentioned, these are the Tial Air Inlet Pipes. These are the Tial Turbo Inlet Pipes. These are the APR Stage 3 turbos, which are basically the original turbos that come on the 991.2 GTS models. Here we have all the hardware, the gaskets, O-rings, and all that stuff. So right here I have the AMS intercoolers laid out. We have the carbon fiber air ducts, which are included with the intercoolers, the flat 6 motorsport diverter valve upgrade. I'm also going to be doing an oil change on this car. So yeah, let's get to it. This car is really nice. We've already done some upgrades to it. It has the Fabspeed exhaust. With the exhaust tips, we did the gyro disc brake rotors. Recently installed BBS F1R wheels. Lowered on H&R springs, and now it's getting all of these performance mods. So I'm excited to see the end result. So here are the air inlet tubes we're going to be replacing. These that go from the air filter down here to the turbo inlet pipes, and these are the turbo inlet pipes we'll also be replacing. Here's a look at the factory Carrera S turbos, factory intercoolers. Here's a side-by-side comparison of the inlet pipes. See how much of a difference in thickness there is there. So this allows for better airflow to the turbos. I'm going to also be replacing the factory plastic diverter valves with the flat 6 motorsports upgraded ones. The stock Carrera S versus the GTS. You do notice that this section here is thicker than this one, as well as when you look at them on this angle, there's a difference on the hot side, really noticeable difference in size, as well as on the compressor. So pretty nice upgrade. Here we have the turbo fitted on the left side. Everything is torqued down. I'm ready to start assembling everything back together. So everything here is starting to take shape. Here we see the intercoolers with the new air ducts, the air inlet tubes. On this side, we see the turbo inlets. I just need to put the hose from the intercooler to the turbo and keep installing all the parts that are missing here. Alright, so here's a look after everything is installed. You can see here the turbos, turbo inlet pipes, the intercoolers, the air ducts for the intercoolers, the air inlet pipes here, the other side as well.